Imagine escaping to a place where every sunrise promises new adventures and every sunset brings a sense of peace. Welcome to the Ultimate Vacation House Experience, your guide to making dream vacations a reality. Vacation houses offer the perfect blend of comfort and adventure, providing a home away from home in some of the world's most stunning locations. Whether nestled in the heart of a snow-capped mountain or perched by the tranquil sea, these havens are where memories are made. The journey begins with choosing your perfect spot. Consider what rejuvenates you: the silent whispers of the forest, the rhythmic waves of the sea, or perhaps the majestic views of the mountains. Each setting offers a unique experience tailored to your desires. A vacation house is more than just a place to stay. It's a space to live. From hot tubs under the stars to cozy fireplaces and gourmet kitchens, the amenities available can elevate your vacation from great to unforgettable. It's the little luxuries that make a big difference. Step outside and immerse yourself in the adventure that awaits. Whether it's hiking through lush trails, skiing down pristine slopes, or simply exploring the local culture, your vacation house serves as the perfect base camp for exploration and discovery. Ultimately, the essence of the vacation house experience is about making memories. It's about the laughter shared around a dinner table, the quiet moments of reflection by a scenic view, and the joy of exploring new places with your loved ones. As the day ends and you retreat back to your vacation house, you carry with you the day's memories, ready to dream about tomorrow's adventures. The ultimate vacation house experience isn't just about where you go, it's about what you take back: memories, moments, and a rejuvenated spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Embrace the adventure, find your perfect vacation house, and make every moment count.